Hi everyone, welcome back in a problem solving video series where I am going to solve a new problem. In a video comment, I found one problem requested to solve. I'm searching that water type problem. Like if we are rainwater is there, then we need to store how much water we are going to store in that. So let's search that. Okay, okay. What is this giving? Tapping water rainwater, a given and non-negative integer representing and evaluating a map, forming a map where the width of each bar is 1, computing how much water can be tapped after rain. Means, see, this is a graph. Blank is like we are not storing anything, but in a blue we are storing water. So this is a graph by giving array like 0 is a black and 1 is like that much water we are storing. 0 is like again black. 2 2 is like storing where we are storing. It means 2 is one index will be 0 and second index will be 0, 1, and after that we are having a 1 but 1 means from one index you are storing, like this is a 1 left hand side, and again 1, then this one, like that 3 is a blank, we are representing like that. Okay, the the eve above section, black section is representing by the array. Okay, okay, okay. In case 6 unit and water blue section are being tapped. So take example, this is also we are having. Okay, so first we need to take what is the input, and according to that we need going to solve. Like height we need to consider here. Mostly we are going to play with a height. So let's start solving that problem. uh, let let total, like total how much height we are having: 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 total we are having a height. So this will be like by a graph we are going to return a 6. So answer equal to 0, like we are not storing it till now anything. And we need to take a length of the array, like all the heights of the array. Height, this is given a height. So let n equal to height of the length of this height what given height. So this become a n. So what we need to find out, like we need to traverse all the things, and we need to like store from where to where we are having a blue, from where to where we are not storing a water. So first take example for loop we can start. Let's start with 0 index, is equal to 0 0 comma I, till where we are going till n, correct, and we are doing I plus plus. Okay, this is like we are getting array, and we are um, doing all the like iterating on the all the element of these: 0 1 0 2 0, like 1 again 0. Okay, like that we are iterating. Like see, this is a boundary. If you see 0 0 means water we are storing, correct, but if you go first index 0, this is like we are not storing anything, but one first bar is become, then if rain is happening from the top, this is become a boundary. Like this is a, see, 1 0 is no wall, 1 is a wall, 2 is 0 is a no wall, 2 is a wall, and 1 is like a smaller wall, and 0 is like a no wall. Again bottom always we can see like a we are having a fix, like a no water leakage in a bottom. So that, like that, we need to create all the walls, and according to that we going to calculate the areas. Okay, so let's start with here. So we can take a left. First we need to take a left max equal to left max equal to left max, we going to initialize with a 0. Like left we don't have anything, correct, like that we can consider. And next we going to consider let right right max equal to 0. Okay, what next we need to do? We need to do like uh starting index to where we going to store that. Between that is like our area where water going to store. Like take example, first of all we got on first second index, correct? This one, and second where we are going to get water wall, this one. So between these, that water going to store, so we need to check how much water we are having in that. So let's try to find out why for loop. So next what we are going to do, for loop we are going to take next for next index, from where to where. So let j equal to i I is starting, because what is the starting from here, so same index we are having, so we are not going to store anything, correct? And j is less than greater than equal to 0 like reverse order we are telling doing. Okay, and j minus j. Okay, we going to calculate here left max. What is the left max we are having? We going to calculate a left max for that. Left bar, like this one we are having, correct? Left bar first we are going to calculate. Okay, so we going to take a math dot max left max and height of I, like what we are having, like j, inside of j we are having, correct? We are calculating a j based on a j. So this is we going to calculate a left max. Similarly we are going to calculate the right max, right max of current index. So we going to do similar, reverse this, and till and we are going for right. Left we can do go till 0 only, correct? Right, we can go from 0 index to far any number. We can like first bar you are having here and last bar you are having an in, so whole area we need to consider like that. So right max will be going like this and j plus plus. So right max, we taken a right max, correct? Right max is this. Okay, and this is a right max and height of j. Okay, these two like maximum height we are going to find, and in that what we are going to find, these two things we found. So we need to calculate the see if we are going to take a max of these between, so up top water can be flowed out, so we going to take a mean of both the left max and right max, and we need to add in an answer. uh, answer is answer equal to plus math dot mean, because if we going to take a max, then that is going to overflow, so that is not correct. So left max we need to take, and right max we need to going to take. Okay, and what we going to take, like where you are sustaining, like take example this one here, on top of that only water can be stored, so that height we also need to subtract. So height of I, because this is a height, height of I. Okay, we got answer, and once this all done, we need to return answer. Best. So you got we calculated height of that, we taken a length, we are doing a left max or right max we taken. Okay, we taken a max of that. Okay, left max calculated, right max we calculated, and next we are taking a mean and returning. Okay, yeah, This is working fine. Okay, let's submit. Okay, time exceeded. We need a optimized way of that. So this is going to solve, but optimized way what we can do in that, we need to refactor that. Okay, give me a minute. I am rectifying. Yeah, so I written a optimized code like what currently what I'm doing in this. I'm taking a same like a height of that given no, left, and I creating a array of that left and right. So what I did, left I taken because there is a we are doing a nesting. So for avoiding that, I'm creating a left and right arrays and filling with their numbers, respective number. Like first starting from the zero, and here I am starting from the last index of that height one. Okay, and here what I'm doing, I put it one for loop where I started from the, because already I considered a zero index, so I starting from the one and I'm going till n, and I'm progressing like a till n last index we have. And here I'm taking what, max of left of I. Okay, left of I minus 1, because we started from one index, so we need to like reduce that one index. And here we are already calculated a height of I. So in that we need to take what is the value there. And for right same thing we are doing, and from reverse order, and minus I what we are having, and minus 1, and from that also we are taking a max. Okay, and same formula we put it with a this one what we are putting here, same thing we are for calculating that we are putting. Okay, and next what we are going to do calculation, because see we started it, using a two separate loops. Due to that our complexity will be like n only, and in that what we are having, n square we are having. Okay, so let answer is equal to 0, and I am going to start I is equal to 0, I plus until n. And here what I am doing, same thing what I did previously, math dot min, and already I calculated all the index of left and all the index of right, and I'm minusing height of that array and returning that. And let's try this running. Okay, let's submit. Yeah, accepted. Runtime okay. So this is a problem what we solve with a two approach. One is a like a optimized way, and another is like a root force solving. In that we are getting a high complexity. Due to that time that this problem is not got accepted. Now it's working fine. So if you are not subscribe my channel, please go and subscribe my YouTube channel and support me for creating such more videos where I can able to solve your problem solving. If you are not able to understand any steps or anything, please message me. I will try to explain more and I will reply everyone in my comments. Thank you. Bye bye.